If you live in an area of Alaska that will hold Regional Educational Attendance Area, or REAA elections on October 1st, and you will not be able to vote at the polls on Election Day, by-mail absentee ballots will be available on September 9th. Anyone may request a ballot by mail. You do not need a reason to vote absentee. To get a ballot by mail, you must apply by September 23rd. Once you've received and voted your absentee ballot, you must mail it back. It must be postmarked by October 1st, 2019. The deadline to receive REAA absentee ballots mailed in by voters from within the U.S. and U.S. territories is October 11, 2019. If you are unable to vote at the polling place due to age, illness, or disability, you can request a representative to pick up a special needs ballot for you beginning 15 days before Election Day. Your voted ballot must then be returned to the polling place by 8 p.m. Election Day. You can find more information about absentee and special needs ballots at elections.alaska.gov.